Good afternoon, this is Eric from Turnkey Parlor. Today we're going over the parts and assembly process for a Taylor C152. So we got the data plate right here. Alright, so as you can see it's disassembled right now. Now the parts in here. All the parts I laid out here in order, right? So we have the faceplate, the two screws, the star cap, the pin for the handle, and the dispensing valve. Then we have this is the bearing guide that you put right here, right? And then this will go over this and on here, and I'll do it all in the next clip. Here's the beater, and this goes at the end, or goes in first technically. And then this is the air tube and the air orifice, they go in there. All right, so first things first, we grab the beater right here, and we're gonna put it in. You lube this up, it's already lubed. You twist it till it clips in like that. Now, we're gonna take the faceplate, which is this guy, and we're gonna assemble that. Right? So, first things first, take this guy, down there, beautiful. Then you're gonna take this, it's the bearing, and put it right here. Perfect, yeah? Now, we're gonna take these guys. So that's for the faceplate, right? Sorry. Alright, so you got this guy. You're gonna lube the O-rings here, and throw it right in here. So like that. And then you're gonna take the handle, and we can do this when the door's on too. That's all I'll show you. The star cap on. Beautiful. Here. Now, for these, they have to fit on kind of perfectly. So you want to slide them on like that, and then kind of slide it in. Yeah, like that. Pretty straightforward. Yeah. We're tightening these. Now I'm gonna put this guy right here, and this guy right here. Pretty straightforward. Last but not least, you do the air tube, this hole down, and then the air orifice, which goes right on top. And you have a fully assembled C152. Thank you.